In the next episode, Yuffie said Yuffie will appear to be the new enemy, but the truth about his arrival will be more complicated than anyone except Sehan will order him brought to the mansion after learning his name appear include connect to the vending weapon. You will not resist. He will walk into the courtyard, place his gun on the table, and say that he came because Sehan asked for his help. No one will believe him, especially Near, who see every unfamiliar face as another person who failed to face the man she loved. Yuffie will reveal that the one Wagner secret security group created to protect Bora's shipment but left after discovering the group was being used for assistance and reactivated. The wedding attack was meant to expose the eunuch rank commander, but Sehan died before the plan could be complicated. Sehan will become Yuffie co-fighting while other bad Yuffie will answer that he was at the wedding and find the second shot not as Sehan but at the assistant standing beside him. The bullet found in the wall prove his claim may be true. Kaya will demand forgiveness verification while Sadaka ordered Yuffie before killed his present attract more danger. Sehan stove the situation surprising even because he has begun to understand anger hidden mastermind except Costa Yuffie privately and discover he not detailed Braun market the Braun control room before the wedding. Mariam brought back to the mansion. Dennis knowing Yuffie, but her fear betray her. When press Luffy confirmed the death but refused to name the commander without proof, saying an execution would Ranger and the Masquerade will find that execution unbelievable and secretly follow him. When he leaves the mansion, she watches him. The mansion she watches him made Fayaz in abdomen carry from a distance. It appeared they are allies. They record the conversation, but the audio is unclear. She hears only fragments. Sehan, the wedding, and one final payment. Confess Bufik betrayed. She raises Sehan gun and prepared to shout before she pulled the trigger. Sehan arrives and lowered the weapon. Yufik then revealed that Fayaz agreed to testify in exchange for protection because the person who hired him is eliminated. Every witness suddenly a spinner fires. Yufik pushes Near aside and take the bullet, repeating Sehan's final act in a different form. Fiaz escaped but dropped a key carrying the symbol of a private bank in Budapest. At the hospital, Yuffie survived long enough to whisper the commander little to Sehan. The mother Sehan assumed he means Sadakat. The final scene cut to a woman in Budapest receiving news of the Yuffie shouting and ordering Envy to bring Ayla to her alive.